General. The word general is a noun, an adjective, and an adverb in the English language. It has various meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a noun, general refers to a high-ranking military officer or a leader of an organization. For example, 1. The general inspected the troops before the battle. 2. The general manager of the company made an announcement. As an adjective, general describes something that is widespread, common, or applicable to a whole group or category. Here are some examples. 1. She has a general understanding of the subject. 2. The general consensus is that the project was a success. 3. In general, it is best to avoid processed foods. 4. The general population needs access to affordable health care. As an adverb, generally is used to indicate something that is true or applies most of the time. It is often used to express a general opinion or a tendency. For instance, 1. I generally prefer tea over coffee. 2. He generally arrives on time for meetings. 3. Generally speaking, exercise is good for your health. In summary, general can refer to a military officer or a leader, describe something that is widespread or applicable to a whole group, or indicate something that is true or applies most of the time. Its usage as a noun, adjective, or adverb depends on the context in which it is used.